Hi, I'm Ivan Zoot. I am Clipper Guy, and if you are serious about men's hair cutting and serious about creating seriously good men's haircuts, you're going to be serious about blending. And serious blending happens with a serious blending scissors. This is the Clipper Guy Classic Barber Blender. You want a Clipper Guy Classic Barber Blender. The Classic Barber Blender was designed with the heritage of men's hair cutting in mind, taking cues from and taking much of its design from some of the best beloved blending tools of yesteryear in the classic barber business. And then we improved upon it. We went with Japanese 440C stainless. We went with an improved bumper design and pivot mechanism, but we went with the classic 6.5 to 7 inch length and handle design and shape, including, for stability and control, that built-in finger rest. Let's talk about classic barber blending, because you want a classic barber blender available online at clipperguy.com. Anytime you pick up a blender to blend, pick up a wide tooth comb. The Zoot comb was designed with wider teeth specifically for classic barber blending. You want to be able to comb through the hair, to rake through the hair, to move through the hair gently, and anywhere, light gray for contrast, anywhere you see steps, ledge, ridges, weight lines, or demarcations extending out beyond the surface, you want to blend them off. When using a blending scissors, you work on your side of the comb when using a blending scissors for blending. And hold the comb at an angle. If you come in horizontally, you're going to make a hole or a line deeper or more prominent. You want to come in at an angle and blend off any weight that you see, any demarcation, or any indication that there's any kind of a step or a ridge in the transition. That's classic barber blending. The other thing we do with a classic barber blender is we reduce bulk. Where we blend on our side of the comb, we reduce bulk on the client's side of the comb. Notice how I come underneath the comb, in between the comb and the client's head, combing through the hair to gauge or feel resistance. If the hair feels thick or heavy, or if it exhibits some resistance, I can come in on the client's side and blend under and through. This is a beautiful barber blender that would compare at $200 or $300. And when you visit clipperguy.com online to order your classic barber blender, you'll find it there for significantly less than that. I'm Ivan Zoot. I'm Clipper Guy. This is your classic barber blender for blending classic barber haircuts. This is the tool you need that will change your career. It comes with a lifetime warranty, and if you clean it and oil it properly, your grandchildren will inherit this scissors and use it on their clients and customers for many, many happy years to come. Thanks for watching. Get yourself a classic barber blender and have a great day.